Do you hear that ringing in your ears, even when everything around you is completely silent? You're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. I know how frustrating it is. That constant high-pitched noise that never stops. It keeps you up at night, messes with your focus, and makes everyday conversations exhausting. I lived with that buzzing for years, and nothing ever worked, until I found something different. It's a completely natural approach that works from the inside out. It doesn't just cover up the noise, it helps support your auditory system with specific nutrients that target the real cause of the ringing. It was developed based on recent discoveries in auditory nerve repair, and it's already helped thousands of people finally experience peace and quiet again. What surprised me the most? You don't have to swallow pills or rely on expensive devices. You simply spray it under your tongue, just a few sprays in the morning and at night. It's fast, easy, and designed for maximum absorption. And over time, the ringing began to fade, until I finally felt silence again. If you're tired of living with this invisible noise and finally want a real solution, there's something you absolutely need to see. I've shared the link to an exclusive video in the first pinned comment below, where everything is explained in detail. Make sure to watch it until the end. It might be exactly what you've been hoping for. But don't wait, the video may only be available for a short time.